In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete all of your mails on Gmail at once in just one click. So now let's do it. To delete all of your mails on Gmail at once, you need to do it using a browser because you can't do it here on Gmail app. So let's close the Gmail app and open a browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Here, go to the web address and type mail.google.com. Here, click on Sign In. You need to sign in to your Gmail account. Type your email here. And then enter your password. Once done, just click on Next. If there is a security checkup, just scroll down and click on Continue to Gmail. Click on I am not interested. We are now here in our Gmail. Here we need to turn on the desktop version by clicking on the three dots button at the upper right corner. Then check the desktop side. After that, click on the web address again and type mail.google.com again. This will bring you to the desktop version of Gmail. Here we need to zoom in. On the left side, click on More. Then click on All Mail to display all the mails. Once done, zoom in again and click on the Select All checkbox here. Here it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. On the right side, I have an option to select all the mails I have. I have 498 mails in my Gmail. Let's click on it. All of my mails are now selected. I can now click on the delete button here to delete all of these mails. And click on OK. And as you can see, all of my mails are now gone.